Hey everybody, my name's Lee Bachma, and nobody, I mean absolutely nobody in the comic book world knows who I am. And that's because, well, I am a nobody. Until now. You see, recently I was selected as a winning artist in the Women of Darby Pop's Breaking Into Comics contest. A bunch of other aspiring comic book artists and writers, such as myself, were selected to create stories featuring the leading ladies of Darby Pop Comics in an anthology collection. I illustrated this story called Life's Beauty, written by Richard Eggleton, a fellow nobody. Sorry, Richard, no offense, buddy. Life's Beauty features Superfecta 5, the dangerous and sexy android from the Seventh Sword series created by John Raffo. In Life's Beauty, Superfecta 5, well, she does what she does best. Killing people. Killing a lot of people. In fact, killing a lot of people in some very creative and very personal ways. But this story is about more than just action-packed bloodbath. It asks that if Superfecta 5 were once human, how does all this killing affect her? What emotions are triggered, what memories are evoked, and is there still a soul under all that lethal, curvaceous steel? So if you want to know the answers to these questions and more, pick up a copy of the Women of Darby Pop's anthology comic, and get to know some nobodies, like me, that have some pretty interesting stories to tell. Thanks.
The Women of Darby Pop #1, a double-size floppy at a single-issue price. In stores on September 28th. Pre-order your copy today.